Did you know that biodiversity is being cared for in Mexico's production forests? Mexico contains 10% of the world's biodiversity and 50% of pine species. However, there are 475 endangered species. 896 are threatened. A total of 1,185 species are subject to special protection. The project, Biodiversity in Production Forests and Certified Markets, seeks to build awareness and capacities so that forest producers will take actions to conserve biodiversity in managing their productive forests. Furthermore, it has contributed to strengthening an institutional policy to conserve biodiversity in productive forests. The project is in operation in the following states: Chihuahua, Durango, Michoacán, Jalisco, Hidalgo, Puebla, Veracruz, Oaxaca, Guerrero, Quintana Roo, and Campeche. More than 5,000 people have been trained in biodiversity, certification, administration, and forest management. Producers, technical forestry service providers, and functionaries. From 2013 to date, 1,300 pieces of land in an area of more than 2 million hectares decided to implement some of the following actions to conserve biodiversity in their forest management programs. Best forest management practices: 6 at the landscape level, 5 at the stand level, 3 at the site level. Identification of areas with high conservation value attributes, classification and identification of habitats. Currently, in the states where the project is in operation, studies have been conducted on 114 pieces of land on which 540,000 hectares with high-value attributes have been identified and designated for conservation. Furthermore, the forest management certification is encouraged as a strategy to take care of biodiversity. In July 2015, 300 forest owners managed to obtain their certificate, with a total of 1,905,203 hectares certified. Technical tools have been developed to implement conservation of biodiversity. Best Practices Manual for Temperate and Tropical Forests. Path Manual. Success Story, El Manantial. Habitat Guide. Manual for Best Practices on Small Rural Lands. General Guidelines on Managing and Conserving Biodiversity. With these actions, we are creating technical and social capacities which support sustainable management and biodiversity conservation in the temperate and tropical forests of Mexico. Project: Biodiversity in Production Forests and Certified Markets.
Mover a México. Gobierno de la República.